With all due respect, sir, this man is a dangerous man. Especially the fact, same as a police. If you not going to do anything about it, me, I go do something about it.
Oh, really now? Pots and kettles, darling. And speaking of the pot.
Well. What a nice family affair.
Actually, I was just about to explain to her how the both of you come from the same nest.
Same nest. John and Bobby love. Can't live at the same place, brother.
But eagles and hawks do.
Like seriously, sir? This is why you call me here?
Imagine she call me this. So Mullins, I really admire what's happening here, you know? It's nice little family affair. I used to have this kind of thing, you know. You know, that father-daughter thing. But I don't have it anymore. So you see, as of now, I would ask you to tell she to leave me alone. I'm not tell you again in a boss.
Me to leave you alone when you find yourself on my yard?
Both of you go to your respective corners. Now! I would suggest you sit down here. I have a project for both of you to work on.
Sir, I'm not
Margaret! I will speak to you individually. The next time both of you enter my office, collectively or separately, you will sanitize your aggression.
Work together on a project. We need to sanitize aggression. Leaving? No. Remember, when me tell you, tell she.
This is the worst case of sibling rivalry I've ever seen.
Sir, please don't say that. Next thing people go think me and him related.
There's something bigger than both of you at play right now. Tell you what is going to happen. See this board thing? We're going to assign some other sleepers to that. Matter of fact, let's see if we can't find something tangible for that partner of yours to do. Right now, what I'm very interested in is the human trafficking. And guess who will get the results?
So, Bubbles, or should I call you Angie? I guess the next time I show up at your house, you'll have coffee or tea to offer me. Maybe, but not today. Bubble, we are bubble, don't bubbles.